To use a Credit Karma debit card, start by understanding what it is and how it works. The Credit Karma debit card is a free debit card offered by Credit Karma, a personal finance company that provides free credit scores and reports. The card is linked to your Credit Karma account and allows you to earn cashback rewards on your purchases. First, you need to apply for the Credit Karma debit card through the Credit Karma website or mobile app. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to complete the application. Once you are approved, you will receive your card in the mail. Next, activate your card by following the instructions provided with your card or through the Credit Karma app. You will need to create a PIN and set up your account settings. You can then link your card to your Credit Karma account to start earning cashback rewards. To use your card, simply swipe or insert it at any merchant that accepts Visa debit cards. You can also use your card to make online purchases or pay bills. The Credit Karma debit card has no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and no minimum balance requirements. One of the key benefits of the Credit Karma debit card is the Cashback Rewards program. You can earn cash back on your purchases, and the rewards are deposited directly into your link bank account. The cashback rates vary depending on the type of purchase, but you can earn up to 2% cash back on certain categories. To get the most out of your Credit Karma debit card, make sure to regularly review your account activity and cashback rewards. You can do this through the Credit Karma app or website. It is also important to keep your card information and account settings up to date to ensure that you receive your cashback rewards. In addition to the cashback rewards, the Credit Karma debit card also offers other benefits, such as overdraft protection and credit monitoring. The card is also insured by the FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. Overall, the Credit Karma debit card is a great option for anyone looking for a low-fee debit card with cash back rewards. By following these steps and using your card responsibly, you can earn cash back on your purchases and stay on top of your finances.